This is the Galaxy Fold, Samsung's first foldable phone. Oh, that's cool. Samsung has made this box really special, and it opens like a book. Oh, that's neat. I just have to close this and do it again. I love the way that the design of Galaxy bends down, and I love how this is iridescent. It looks really special. This is like a box within a box within a box. This is a premium device, and Samsung definitely wants you to feel that way. All right, there it is. Samsung has given us the Galaxy Fold in its open position, not closed, because this is the way that the company wants you to use it. The blue color is really pretty. Let's see what else is in the box. Oops. Well, I made a mess of that. This is the SIM card ejector tool. And this is a case. This case here, for the front and the back, is made from the same material as bulletproof vests. It says Samsung Galaxy Fold on the bottom and on the back. USB-A to USB-C. It's a dongle. This is the charging brick with fast charging. This is the USB-C charging cable. And here, an assortment of earbuds and such. Last but not least, this is a pair of the wireless Galaxy Buds. This is a really expensive phone, so it's nice that Samsung gives you a little bonus. The Galaxy Fold is an incredibly unique device. The blue color here is very glossy, very lustrous, and there's a gold hinge. This is a thick hinge. It opens and closes very seamlessly. This is a plastic screen, and you can see that there is a bend, but the motion feels very controlled. In addition to blue, the phone also comes in other colors like Martian green. You can also customize the hinge color there, silver or gold. It also comes in black and in silver. I've gone ahead and set it up so you can see that there's a 4.3-inch screen on the outside and a 7.3-inch screen on the inside. There's a lot more to know, so make sure that you're watching our other videos and stories at CNET.com.